Automatic Products is located in Sumner, Washington. We machine parts for aerospace assemblies and commercial applications. Automatic Products partnered with the WorkEx and AJAC program because we feel like these veterans have given to their country and we want to give back and give them a chance. My son's an Army veteran and I know how hard it is to transition into civilian life, so anything we can do to make these people's lives better is better for them. It helps us. It's a win-win situation. When Justin first came to us through the WorkEx program, his interest level was extremely high. He really wanted to succeed as a machinist, and so his attention was great. What I see as his greatest potential is his leadership, and that's something else that we look for from these military members. They have experience leading people, and they can help us to grow into a better company because of their leadership experience.
I joined the military in late 2015. I actually did a little bit of machining before I joined the military, but I decided I wanted to get out of my hometown and wanted to kind of get some excitement in my life. So I did that, joined the military, did that for about 8 years. So when I was leaving the military, I was anxious, as most people are. You know, there's a lot changing, there's a lot going on. You got rent and everything else to worry about, normal civilian stuff. And it's a lot, but I mean, the AJAC program and career counselor was super helpful. And I'm gonna be honest, it was one of the easiest things I ever did. I contacted the counselor. She worked with me to fill out the online paperwork. And then from there, we toured a couple facilities. I decided where I wanted to work, and it was real simple from that point on. I chose Automatic Products because it seemed like the most professional environment, and they kind of had the most modern shop setup, and I felt like I had the most to learn and most to gain by working here.
Automatic Products has a great internal training program, and we also partner with AJAC to help employees develop their machine-oriented skills. My experience with WorkEx and AJAC has been very positive. We have been able to get some people in here that are high-quality people. They have great soft skills, they understand how to follow instructions, and they're very motivated to succeed.
I think there's a lot of programs available to military members transitioning, but the WorkEx program offered the flexibility I needed to get into the program that I wanted and work best for me. I would say if you're thinking about going down that path, it's definitely not a bad option, and it's a great way to get your foot in the door and get started with your new life, whatever you decide to do. I'd say my next steps are just showing what I can offer the company and hopefully, moving up over time. Probably the next 5 years I would like to be in a supervisor role. If I can learn enough about the trade and help guide others and even maybe someday train others to, that were in my shoes, so that, we can just continue passing on the knowledge and, just proving what a prior service member can offer to, a new workplace.